Hey guys, I'm a little bit injured, so we're working with this face. Let's make some pansit. I have bihon, and then we're gonna add a little bit of canton. Then these are the basic ingredients that I included in this dish. Cut some of my veggies and also add some protein. Let's start cooking. Good looking. And the pot we're gonna use, of course, it's gonna be Salad Master. Let's start off with sauteing some onions. I use white onions. Add the garlic. In goes the vegetables. Then add our protein. I like my vegetables a little bit crispy, so we're gonna strain it. Then we're gonna proceed to cooking the noodles with the sauce earlier. I added the canton noodles and mixed the vegetables. There you have it. Pansit for long life. So here we have it. Don't forget your calamansi. Spread that there. And then put everything in one fork. Perfect bite.